guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Riverbank Center. Wish Bus.
So talagang that's why you're this experimental phase in your career. Kasi parang ikaw, you also grow with your career and your musicality. Kasi diba dati you were into hard rap talaga. Mga Ruby Ibarra, mga ganon.
Pero medyo nag-explore lang ako ng mga genre. Ayun, things na tatagin ako. Okay lang na I don't stick to one.
Yeah, why not? Diba?
Genre to ha.
Yeah. Okay, I love the clearing up right there, the disclaimer.
Alex,
Pero also I noticed that even with aesthetics, you did evolve, diba? Oo, nag-evolve rin.
Hindi ko talaga napapansin.
Sige, napapansin ko, di ba, like you had an era na yung Betty Blues, medyo parang super girly, ano.
Oh, yeah. Gusto yun.
Bumalik ako. Alright, so definitely, well, a journey that our wishers should check out and follow. Kasi as you said, you're still young, marami pang mga possibilities, so many things for you to explore. Now, let's talk about your newest song called Something. Okay, what does this one mean to you?
Kasi nasa studio kami noon. Kailangan ko na daw ng title for the song. I was like, wala. Yung title na is Summer Song.
Okay,
Tapos
parang tentative.
Yeah. So naisip ko, Summer Fling. Gets ba yun?
Something.
Yeah, tapos pwede din siya.
Oh.
Something. Yun lang pala. Yeah, pero madami naman siyang meaning din. Hindi naman.
So there you go. It's up to the interpretation of our wishers dun sa mga makikinig, how they, decipher the meaning of this song. So are you ready, Alex? It's your time to perform this song on board the Wish 1075 bus. So without further ado, here is Something, Alex Cruz on Wish 1075.
Since then, I didn't get you off my mind.